Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about the new Arrive Tumi Barker backpack. So if you are looking for an Arrive backpack which is bigger than the Arrive Larson, so this is going to be a backpack. So Larson is a really nice premium backpack, but this one is going to be a bit bigger than the Larson backpack. So this is going to be Barker. It's a new backpack. So let's just see how it is. So what you get and what you don't get between Arrive Larson and Arrive Barker is, I'm going to quickly talk about that. So there's a new Tumi logo. So all the clips are magnetic as Arrive Larson, except for this one. So this one in Arrive Larson clips here. So you have a magnet here. But in Barker, you don't have a magnet here and also on the other side. So other than that, you have all the clips that are magnetic. So this is magnetic, this one is magnetic, and this one is magnetic. So this one is going to be a waterproof lining. So this is for your water bottle. And the same goes for Larson. This is going to be magnetic as well. So you can put your contact details here. And a really nice leather strap. You also have a travel flap where you can put this bag on your suitcase. And this is, I just have my perfume here. So this is again a very premium material, nice lining. And let's open the front flap. You have so many pouches. So this is going to be the front flap. This is going to be a scratch-free flap. So that's what they say, scratch-free. And this is what it is. You have pen holders and you have a very small flap here. So that's it. I have my presentation remote on this. Let's go to the bigger flap. This is the bigger one. And this is it. So you have a really nice lining, and you have a pouch. If you're traveling, you can keep your passports, and that's it. So let's clip it, magnetic one, and then let's open up the last one. This is where you keep your laptop. I have kept my 15-inch MacBook Air, so you can also keep your MacBook Pro. And this is my Remarkable. You can also keep an iPad in here. So this is really soft, scratch-free again, and is really padded. Okay, and that's it. And you will not get your retractable metal handle in this Barker. You will get one in Larson. So this is leather. This is really comfortable. And that's it. This is your Arrive Barker. This is a bit bigger than Larson, but it is amazing. Last but not the least, you have your mobile pouch here, which is also magnetic. So you can keep your, it's very deep, by the way. So you can have anything like a mobile phone here, because in Arrive Larson, you have a mobile pocket on the right side to keep your mobile inside. But this one, it's here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.